Hello everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna teach you how to conjugate verbs in Spanish in simple present. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Let's get started. As you know, verbs in Spanish end in three terminations. AR, ER, and IR. I mean AR, ER, and IR. So today I'm gonna teach you IR, those verbs which end in IR. So first of all, we have to delete IR at the end of the verbs. Like the verb vivir means to live. Escribir means to write. Debatir means to debate. So vivir means to live. First, we have to delete IR at the end of the verb, and we have to add O, S, E, imos, is, N at the end of the verb. So, for yo means I, we have to add O. For tu means you, singular, we have to add es. For él, ella, usted, we have to add e. For nosotros, nosotras, we have to add imos. For vosotros, vosotras, we have to add is. For ellos, ellas, ustedes, we have to add en. So, yo vivo, I live. Tú vives, you live, singular. Él vive, he lives. Ella vive, she lives. Usted vive, you live, formal form and singular. Nosotros, nosotras, we have to add imos. Nosotros, nosotras vivimos means we live. For vosotros or vosotras, we have to add is. Vosotros, vosotras vivís means you live, plural form. Ellos viven, they live, they, I mean masculine or masculine and feminine with each other. Ellas viven, they live, they only feminine. Ustedes viven, you live, plural form and is the formal form of vosotros and vosotras. So, vivo, vives, vive, vivimos, vivís, viven. As an example, Martín vive en España. Martín lives in Spain. Vive, so él, Martín is él, so vive. En means in, España means Spain. Martin lives in Spain. So, the verb escribir means to write. First of all, we have to delete IR at the end of the verb and we have to add O, S, E, imos, is, and yo escribo, I write. Tú escribes, you write, singular form. Ella escribe, she writes. Usted escribe, you write, singular and formal. Nosotros, nosotras escribimos, we write. Vosotros, vosotras escribís, you write, plural form. Ellos, ellas escriben, they write. Ustedes escriben, you write, formal form and is plural. As an example, yo escribo una carta a mi amigo. Yo means I, escribo, write. Una means one, carta means letter. A mi amigo. Mi amigo means my friend, masculine. So, I write a letter to my friend. So, next verb is debatir. Debatir means debate. First of all, we have to delete IR at the end of the verb and we have to add O, S, E, imos, is, N at the end of the verb. So, yo debato, I debate. Tú debates, you debate, singular form. Él debate, he debates. Ella debate, she debates. Usted debate, you debate is the formal form of two and singular. Nosotros, nosotras debatimos, we debate. Vosotros, vosotras debatís, you debate, plural form. Ellos, ellas, ustedes debaten. Ellos, ellas, they debaten, debate, they debate. Ustedes debaten, you debate is the formal form, and plural form of vosotros, vosotras is plural and formal. So whenever we want to make our sentences negative, we have to add no before the verb. As an example, here I said Martín vive en España. Martín lives in Spain. Now I want to say Martín doesn't live in Spain. Martín no vive en España. I write a letter to my friend. Yo escribo una carta a mi amigo. Now I want to say I don't write a letter to my friend. So, yo no escribo. Before escribo, we have to add no. Yo no escribo una carta a mi amigo. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have a nice time and adios.